this precious itty-bitty baby enjoying his itty-bitty bath?
Circus is some fun! Hey, fellas, look at me!
Yeah, hurry up, Ma.
There.
Goodbye, Ma. I'm going to play circus.
Play carefully, Huey. Remember, you're only 2 years old. He's big for his age.
I'm going to play circus. I'm going to play circus. I'm going to play circus.
Hey, here comes that dopey Huey again!
That bird brain will ruin everything.
Hey, fellas, I'm going to play circus with you. Could I play circus with you boys?
Hey, fellas, listen.
All right, Huey. The first circus trick is to jump through the hoop.
Here I come!
Good riddance.
That was a bout of fun. Hey, fellas, come back.
Wow, what a meal!
Nobody wants to play circus with me.
Circus!
Anybody want to play with me? Oh boy, a circus parade! Oh, Mr. Ringmaster, can I be the circus star? Huh? Can I? Huh? Can I?
Well, I think that might be arranged, Buster. Now, with it being a circus, the first thing you has to learn is the high dive act.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here I go!
Buster, to be a wild animal trainer, you gotta learn to put your head in the lion's mouth.
Okay, Mr. Lion. Open up. Open up! Oh, goody! I tamed the lion! I tamed the lion! Oh, Mr. Ringmaster, what's the next trick? What's the next trick?
Here, Fatso. This sensational human cannonball act will make you the big shot of the circus.
Hey, fellas, dynamite.
I can't bear to look.
Please spare him. He's dumb but harmless.
Hey, you! You're the fox, and I think you're trying to kill me.